Light is an electromagnetic wave, and the electric field of this wave oscillates perpendicularly to the direction of propagation. Light is called unpolarized if the direction of this electric field fluctuates randomly in time. Many common light sources such as sunlight, halogen lighting, LED spotlights, and incandescent bulbs produce unpolarized light. If the direction of the electric field of light is well defined, it is called polarized light. The most common source of polarized light is a laser. Depending on how the electric field is oriented, we classify polarized light into three types of polarizations. First one is linear polarization. In this type of polarization, the electric field of light is confined to a single plane along the direction of propagation. Another type is circular polarization. In circular polarization, the electric field of the light consists of two linear components that are perpendicular to each other, equal in amplitude, but have a phase difference of pi2. The resulting electric field rotates in a circle around the direction of propagation and, depending on the rotation direction, is called left or right-hand circularly polarized light. Third one is elliptical polarization. In elliptically polarized light, the electric field of light describes an ellipse. This results from the combination of two linear components with different amplitudes and/or a phase difference that is not pi2. This is the most general description of polarized light, and circular and linear polarized light can be viewed as special cases of elliptically polarized light. The two orthogonal linear polarization states that are most important for reflection and transmission are referred to as P and S polarization. P polarized, from the German parallel, light has an electric field polarized parallel to the plane of incidence, while S polarized, from the German senkrecht, light is perpendicular to this plane.